Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a race red 2017 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium, stock number A7212. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. The hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped. We'll get a close-up on the tread and a Goodyear Eagle tire. Inside you have a black leather upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for two in the front row, and you have seating for two back in the second row, making this a 4-passenger Mustang. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. You do have a backup camera as well as a dual exhaust here in the rear. And the reason that I'm showing you this Mustang today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. Taking a step inside, on the left of the steering wheel here, you have your cruise control buttons, and on the right-hand side, you've got audio controls. On the driver's side visor, there are HomeLink garage door opener buttons. Coming down to the center, you've got a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera shows. You do have a navigation system. There is a CD player and an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have dual climate controls as well as buttons for heated and cooled front row seating. You do have a push button start here. Your engine is a 6-speed automatic engine with a 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine, and the highway mileage on that is around 28 miles per gallon. Now coming up top here, you do have a simple push button for your convertible top. And as you can see, that's a nice rapid transition there to get that closed. You just have this little twist handle here to go ahead and secure that, and you're all set to go. Taking a step out, we'll take a quick look at that soft top. As you can see, that's in great shape. If you'd like to get more information on this Mustang or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.